now to the major political headlines of the morning, and we start with fears of a trade war with China that are wreaking havoc on the stock market.
With China saying it will match America's proposed tariffs, President Trump is saying things may get worse before they get better. ABC's Tara Palmieri is in Washington with more. Tara, good morning to you.
Good morning, Dan and Paula. That's right. The markets were hanging on Trump's every tweet. Wall Street and even some of the president's closest aides have been trying to figure out if these threats are just his tough negotiating style or real policy. Markets around the world tumbling after President Trump's high-stakes standoff with China. The Dow dropping by more than 550 points as President Trump and Chinese President Xi engage in a tit-for-tat over tariffs.
I'm not saying there won't be a little pain, but the market's gone up 40%, 42%, so we might lose a little bit of it.
Trump selling short-term pain for the long-term gain of a more balanced trade relationship with China. Trump igniting a potential trade war with one of the world's largest economies when he announced $50 billion in tariffs on Chinese goods. This is a big switch from back in September.
President Xi and I discussed improving our economic relationship. We want a vibrant trade relationship with China.
Beijing quickly retaliated with $50 billion in tariffs on U.S. goods, hitting American manufacturers and farmers. In Iowa, this corn and soy farmer told ABC's Martha Raddatz he's hopeful that Trump and Xi will reach a deal before the tariffs go into effect.
Certainly with the tariffs that have been proposed, it could mean, some large risks. I don't want to say losses, but
it can mean it's money.
It certainly could. These tariffs certainly won't be helpful.
Not backing down, Trump now threatening China with $100 billion more in tariffs.
Does the president think that trade wars are easy to win? Is that still his view?
I think the president feels like if he is in charge of those negotiations, absolutely.
His economic advisors seeking to lower the heat.
We're not running a trade war, so nothing's happened. Nothing's been executed.
But admitting
there is the potential of a trade war.
Wall Street and Main Street on edge.
If these policies were to take effect, the retaliation, at what point does it end?
Now, Beijing has signaled that it's unlikely to crumble under pressure. A spokesperson for Chinese Ministry of Commerce said they're prepared to hit back, quote, forcefully and without hesitation. Dan, Paula?
Tara, thank you. You asked the right question at the beginning. Is this bluster or real policy? And we've got some time to see if that's what side of the fence we're on here. Tara, thank you.
Thanks,
and a quick program note, you saw that video of Martha Raddatz with farmers in the Midwest. She's going to have much more on that tomorrow morning on This Week.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.